Hello, how to solve this radical problem? This is square root of x plus x equals 2. Solving for all values of x that satisfy this equation. So I can move x over here. This will be square root of x equals 2. This becomes minus x. So from here, I take the squares of both part of this equation. So this cancels this. I have x equals, for this, I need to expand. I have 2 minus x times 2 minus x. So from here, I have x equals, let's expand this, 2 times 2, I have 4, 2 times minus x, this is minus 2x, minus x times 2, minus 2x, minus x times minus x, plus x squared. So from here, I have x equals 4, this is minus 4x plus x squared. I move x over here, this is 0 equals 4, minus 4x plus x squared, minus x. So from here, I have 0 equals 4, minus 4x minus x, this is minus 5x plus x squared. So let's rearrange this equation. I have x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals 0. So this becomes a quadratic equation that we are going to solve for the value of x, and we are going to solve this using the formula method. I have x equals negative b plus or minus square root of, this is b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. So right now, I need to find out what my a is, my b, and my c. The equation of x squared is 1, so that's why my a is 1. My b is negative 5 here, which is the equation of x. And my c is constant, which is 4. The 4 here. So from here, I have x equals negative b, negative times negative 5, plus or minus square root of, this is negative 5 over 2 minus 4 times 1 times 4, and this is divided by 2 times 1. So from here, I have x equals, this is 5, plus or minus square root of, this is 25 minus 16 divided by 2. From here, I have x equals 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 16, this is 9 divided by 2. So from here, x equals 5 plus or minus square root of 3. Square root of 9 is 3. This is 3 divided by 2. So from here, our x is 5 plus 3 divided by 2. Or we also have 5 minus 3 divided by 2. And from here, we have x equals 5 plus 3. This is 8 divided by 2. Or 5 minus 3. This is 2 divided by 2. So from here, we have x equals 8 divided by 2 is 4. Or 2 divided by 2 is 1. We have two complex values for f. So what we are going to do will be to check using these two. They are actually real values, not complex values. So let's check using these two real values. We have x equals 4 and x equals 1. These are the two real values we are going to check for x. We have root x plus x equals 2. Let's start with when x equals 4. So this will be square root of 4 plus 4 equals 2. Square root of 4 is 2 plus this is 4. Is this equals 2? 2 plus 4 is 6, and this is not 2. Right? That means this particular value of x is wrong. It's not a correct solution. Let's also check when x is 1. We have square root of x plus x equals 2. This time around, our x is 1. This is square root of 1 plus 1 equals 2. Square root of 1 is 1 plus 1 equals 2. And 1 plus 1, that is 2, and this equals 2. Both sides are the same, where this is not the same. So guys, that means particular value of s is obviously correct, and 1 is the actual solution for this equation. Is there any other solution that you know? If there's any, drop it on the comment box. That is it. Thank you and goodbye.